So Apple the other day finally released a new update for the AirPods Pro 3, and in typical fashion, they unfortunately did not come with a slew of release notes, but I want to show you how to check how to get the update and see for future reference when they might list what's new. So it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is make sure your AirPods and phone are connected, and once they are, you can actually go right into settings and check out the category. That is right here up top in regards to AirPod Pros 3. And when you jump into it, you kind of saw it a second ago. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see what version you're on, and 8B34 is the latest. Now, if you want to actually see what's new, you should be able to go to support.apple.com. And once this opens, it will give you a breakdown about all AirPod firmware updates, what the latest is, and how to update. First things first, as we just said, AirPods Pro 3 is 8B34. So that's not surprising, but you can see a lot of the other AirPod models are on different versions. And then it does tell you how to find your current version that we just went over, and then how to update your AirPods. This is the official way. We did a whole video on this in regards to how to update your AirPods or how to trigger the update. It's very simple. I'm not going to go over it here, but if you need a reminder or want to know how, you can pause the video and take a quick look. Now, once you have that all updated and everything, if you scroll all the way down, that's where you'll find the release notes. And as you can see, the consistency here with the issues are the lack of notes. So yet again, we get the typical bug fixes and other improvements are all that's new in 8B34 and 8B30, 8B28 before that, and so on and so forth. It is pretty frustrating that it takes us back a number of betas, or builds I should say, just to get something new that's listed for release notes, and 8A356 is the first one that actually gave us a ton of new information, fully listed out, and then you can see some other ones as well. We're not going to go back in time to all these, but that just gives you a quick breakdown of what it is. Now, if you wanted to also add your AirPods to the beta program, you can do so here in this menu. 2 rows down from the versioning, you can see AirPods beta updates, and just slide that toggle on as well. This will give you a pre-look, or a preview I should say, of the beta that will be coming out. You can also turn on AirPods analytics data if you so choose. I have it off, but I do have the pre-release beta firmware update turned on. So yeah, that is kind of where we're at. But I have actually had no issues with my Pro 3s recently. The connection has stayed secure on the phone, and there has been really no disconnects. I will say though, with this transferring between one phone to another, to an iPad, to a Mac, on the prior beta, on the prior build I should say, it worked great. I had no issues with that at all. So hopefully that doesn't take a backseat now to this new release. Since we know how sometimes Apple breaks things unintentionally, hopefully we don't have that issue here. But that's it for this one, guys. Simple video. Wanted to show you guys how to check for your latest betas, how to update them again, and really what to expect since, well, again, release notes have been scarce. Let me know what you think. How has your AirPod Pro 3s been working out for you if you use them, or if you're on the AirPod Pro or AirPod 4s? Obviously not part of this update, but let us know what you prefer. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.